Video to show how to set up the gym for the Test Your Skills winter activities. So the first thing here, we have a scooter sled, a red and a green, and then put a little baby cone at the end so they can scoot around it and back, and then a little green cone there for that lane. Next one is the sleigh ride. So it's 3 scooters connected with a jump rope and 1 purple cone at the end of that. Next one is ice skating with 2 paper plates and a little cone at the end. Next one is rolling a snowball, the giant cage ball with a little cone at the end. And then the small snowball rolling. And I moved the baby cone up a little closer because this one's harder to do. It's a heavy ball. Next is the polar bear walk with a little cone. Carrying Santa's sack. So use this ball that has the extra big bag on it. And then a little baby cone at the end. Reindeer run. Set up the green and red hurdles with a cone at the end. Elf obstacle. I put 4 bowling pins and 2 of those hula hoops with a cone at the end. And elf basketball. You can use a regular size basketball or the smaller basketball for the kindergarten classes. Thanks.